name is Benjamin, and today I will tell you how to download Xampp software in the computer in Windows 10. So without wasting time, I am starting my video. Open your browser and now click on YouTube. After clicking on YouTube, you search Technology Rises. So this is my video. Click on this video, and after clicking pause it, and now open this channel. After opening this channel, click on this stock video. So just click and open its description, and now there is a link. So click on this link. That's open a blog, and in the blog here is the link of our software. So after clicking on this link, so there is the version of the software. Here is the different OS versions, and there is a Apple OS X and Linux software version, and there is our Windows version. So click on this version because this is updated. So I am clicking on this. After clicking on this, so click on this. I downloaded it already, so I can't download it again. There is open button. There is the interface. So click on OK and then click on next. After clicking on next, then again click on next and choose the location where you have to install this software. I am just choosing this location, so I am clicking on next, and my language is English. You can choose your language. There is two languages, this is Dutch and English. I'm choosing English and click on next. Now the installation process is beginning. So unpacking files started. During this process, so subscribe my channel Technology Rises. I will tell you how to download WordPress. So open your browser. It is installed. No, I don't want to start control panel. So click on search bar and search WordPress. Download. There is our file. There is latest version of WordPress for Windows. That's, and click on open. Close the window. This is the file of WordPress by which you can create or design your website. So I'm copying, cut it and going to C folder and going to Xampp folder. That's where you have stored the Xampp software. So I am going to htdocs, so pasting my WordPress folder. There is the WordPress folder, and after it I am opening Word Xampp. So allow it because this is my SQL permission. It is starting. taking much time. Now I again open it. So it is opened. So click on this start button and click on this start button. So open your browser and here is, you can open, here you write localhost, just enter it and this is the page. Here the software tell you that the Xampp app is successfully installed in our Windows. So thank you.